Danke bafethu, breaking news. First starting lineup se-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Peterson uyaqala laphana ku-goalkeeper, captain, ku-left back sino-Paseka Mako, uKwinika uqala laphana ku-center back no-Inacio Miguel, uThabiso Munyana ubuyile ku-right back, and then ku-midfielder sino-Matlou sino-Matlou, and then uLebohang Maboy, uNgcobo, then esayidini sino-Vilakazi noVelebayi, and then umuntu oqalayo laphana as i-striker uSilva bafethu. Umuntu ekudala abantu kuthiwa uyaqala uzoqala nini because of uyawashaya amagoli. Well, le starting lineup siyangi-surprise-a to be honest, angifuni bafethu ukuqamba amanga ukuthi i-starting lineup se-team is-unpredictable. Akekho umuntu becabanga ukuthi uGeorge Matlou uzoqala bafethu, to be honest. I don't think khona umuntu becabanga ukuthi uGeorge Matlou uzoyiqala le match le, but uyiqalile. So bona ukuthi uGeorge Matlou uzoyinikani i-team going forward. But I think ukudropwa kwaMthethwa, I think into e-good in a way ukuthi badrop uMthethwa because of le game le ayimdingi ngempela uMthethwa, idinga abantu abazo-attack-a bafowethu, abazophusha, abazoya phambili. I think for the first time bafowethu simbona ulokhunjani, u-Ox akekho nalaphana ebhentshini uMthethwa cabanga. They didn't even make the match day squad. So laphana ebhentshini sibona uVuma, uGiven Msimang, uSolomons, uMcCarthy, uNdlovu, uShabalala uqala ebhentshini naye, uPulemodu usebhentshini, uMayo, Ighodaro. Yilo-ke ibhentshi leli le-Kaizer Chiefs. Possibly if uSilva yahluleka lese yokudlala kahle first half, second half singakwazi singabona uMayo or u-Ighodaro oqalayo. Sobona ukuthi i-team noma coach bazodecide ukuqalisa obani. But yeah, i-first starting lineup obviously kunama-questions amaningi mawusibheka le starting lineup ukuthi sizokwazi ukusebenzela i-team na, ukuthi mawubheka uGeorge Matlou, umuntu ofana leseni uGeorge Matlou bafowethu akakadlali this season. The only time engimbonile ngambona afakwa laphana second half i-Kaizer Chiefs ishaye i-AS Simba 3 la ibishaya 3-1. No, khona le match ake yangena khona kusasekhona ucoach Nabi, but nakhona late second half akakabi ne-contribution kakhulu. But i-opportunity le ukuthi ubhuti noma umfana bafethu a-approve laphana ukuthi uyadeserve naye ukubonwa laphana ethimini nokuthi bamnika ama-opportunities. Surprise ukuthi they kept u-Inacio Miguel after amaphutha wakhe, but siyazi ukuthi uyi-hard worker, but i-hard worker eli-disappoint-ayo at the same time. Welcome back uThabiso Munyane. I think uThabiso Munyane uyadeserve vele ukuqala i-match bafethu kunoSolomons. I'm surprised ukuthi I think this shows us ukuthi nabo all over the place. Ngishilo kodwa ngathi labo coach laba bafethu abana starting lineup abasithembayo, abekho sure. Bashaya find manje baqalisa lo, next week baqalisa lo, abana sure ngama-players akhona lapha ne-teamini. So uzoyibuilda kanjani i-team ungenayo i-first starting lineup yakho oyithembayo well equipped? uShabalala I think uShabalala, to be honest, bekumele vele bamreste bamhlalise laphana ebhentshini umfana, cause udlala every game and then amagame amaningi is not giving that much. It's nice to see uNgcobo vele, le combination bengiyifune kaNgcobo noMaboy, but i-question ukuthi manje ubani ozoba u-number 10, cause uMaboy naye i-central, but boba u-2 bayakwazi ukudlala ezo-number 10. noGeorge Matlou uyakwazi ukudlala ezo-number 10. Asazi ukuthi ubani ozodlala u-number 10. Sobona i-match-ke mase seyiqalile ukuthi bashape kanjani nalolu or bazoloke baswitch abafowethu. Welcome back to uPaseka Mako, ubuyile laphana he was injured, and then udlala ngoba phela uCross akekho. uCross naye selimele, kusho ukuthi bayashintshisana nje abafana be-Chiefs bafethu ngokulimala, makungalimele lo kulimala lo, kanjalo. But yeah, I think uMako uyadingeka ngempela kule game leyo eda leyo pace ukuya phambili nokuhlakanipha kwakhe nokucontrola nje ibhola nge-confidence ne-flair yakhe, everything about yena, iswag yakhe leyo yadlala ngakhona, deliver ngakhona for i-team ubaluleke kakhulu. Speed sakavele bayise sizosibheka bafethu laphana ku-left wing, uye umuntu engizobe simbhekile bafethu ukuthi uzokwazi ukubagijimisa, ukubashiya nanokuthi-ke bazomdistribute-ela kanjani amabhola. Na into ukudlala, yabona uvele bayi noMaboy, if ulo uvele bazokwazi ukushaya ama-time runs wakhe a-right, awatime kahle, uMaboy amshaya ngala ma-passes lawa phezulu a-good. I think lento le ingabasebenzela ngempela, bangakwazi ukuthola ama-results ngale scheme lesi abanaso. Ngicabanga ukuthi si-convincing mawusibheka sona. Abantu engekho sure ngabo bafethu would be uMatlo i-game time akakayitholi bafowethu, to be fair akakayitholi i-game time enough ukuthi ungaze ukholelwe kuye ukuthi yazini lo muntu lo give team something. But ngihlezi ngisho umuntu akalahlwa, uyanikwa ama-opportunities yena ahlulekele cause uzohlala ebhentshini isizini yonke or uhlale, I mean sekudlalwe 16, 17 games masibala nalawa ku-CAF. Akakadlali that much but opportunity ukuthi aziprove. Sithembe ukuthi u-give 100% ukuthi no coach bamcabange the next game. Silva anytime scorer. USilva yeah, iposition kaSilva ibaluleke kakhulu. Why ngithi ibaluleke kakhulu ukuthi azipositione kahle ukuthi bakwazi ukumphasa kahle. uVilakazi kumele abheke i-movement yakhe ukuthi kanjani uzodlala noVilakazi. uVilakazi is a good pass of the ball. uNgcobo ngamzama ngalama-through pass lawo and then uMaboya obvious njengoba bengishilo bafethu. uThabiso Munyane uzoshaya lawo ma-runs lawo kuya phambili, aloka wasquare wafaka amabhola same way naku-left back which is uMako uzodlala same way. Contribution yalama players wo-2 izocisha ifane, so i-supply laphana ne-firepower ikhona laphana phambili. So I'm expecting ukuthi i-Chiefs at least ishaye 2 goals kule match leya namhlanje, nothing less than 2 goals or ilide nje nga-2 goals. If ilokhu njana iyakora, what is this team, iChippa United, iChiefs ikwazi lese ukora 3 ibashaye nje nga-3 up front, lokhu ibashaya nga-3 up front yabo, iba phambili nga-3 goals. But sobona hlezi ngisho i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu unpredictable, you can never know. Ungathi usho ngayo but ifike egamini ikudlalele enye into ongayazi. But isquad banaso njengoba ngihlezi ngisho, i-team banayo ikhompyuthayo bafethu, noma engakhompyutha nanoma yiphi ilokhu njani i-team ku-Betway Premiership. But umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi are they ready today, njengoba labantu bahlezi ba-unpredictable. You can never say you know them ukuthi bazoperforma kanjani. This game bazokunika le performance the next game bakunike enye. Ubani Inacio Miguel, hayi isikhathi sakhe uInacio Miguel, le game yakhe kahle kahle, le game yenzelwe yena ukuthi abuyise i-confidence yakhe, angenzi athole i-yellow card. Angizosho-ke bafethu ukuthi hhayi mabamthagetha akwazi ukuhlakanipha, restrain from ezinye izinto, akwazi ukubonisa i-leadership, abe yi-leader, not just ukulida ngomlomo kuphela, alide na-inside the field of play, ukuthi abe umuntu o-trusted laphana, not just ukuthi alide ngokuthi uvocal kuphela, no, leader nase-groundini uma unika i-opportunity ukuthi udlale laphana. Nangu uyadlala namhlanje. Is he ready to die for the team? Well, anginawo ama-answer bafethu, i-answer soyibona makuphela igame ukuthi u-ready, abantu abadlalayo namhlanje ba-ready na ukuthatha ama-opportunities lawa i-team ebanika wona. Cela ukuyibamba lana okwamanje bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. I think before ngivala ngingazipredicta i-score ngithi I think with Kaizer Chiefs 2, yeah, I think 2 Silva kumele ashaya uMagic wakhe bafethu. Ayikho enye namhlanje ilanga elikhulu lakaSilva ukuthi shaya umlingo wakhe. Amafenzi ayamkhumbula kwashaya lamagoli wakhe, so akabuye ubafu, yeah.